Hello guys, James here. Today we are going to learn on how to install Yacht on Chrome. Now, Yacht is a actual very simple thing, but one thing you need is Docker. So if you don't have Docker, you need to install Docker, and I'll show you how to do that. So sudo get docker.io and docker compose. Enter. Oh. Now, it's going to ask if you want to install Docker. You press yes. Now, this is off Chrome OS. If you don't know what Chrome OS is, I'll get you all caught up here in a virtual video. But quick recap, Chrome OS is basically a operating system for Chrome devices. Of course, this is Chrome OS Flex. Not the original Chrome OS that ships on a computer. This is the Chrome OS Flex, which you're able to install on any computer despite not having a Chrome device. I just need to pop my charger in, and voila, the charger's in. Okay, it's setting up Python 3 / Python 3, and adding group Docker. Good. Now we need to test if Docker's working, and it is working. So now we need to go to here, which I'll link this website in the description, and create. Oh, sudo su. Now create. Oh, I love Docker stuff. This is what I absolutely love about Docker. Docker is so incredibly quick. Seriously. And also, this is an HP laptop, so it's nice and quick, because it has a really powerful processor in it. My computer only has about 28% battery life left, but it's better than nothing. Wow, sorry if I sound a little sick. I am right now, stopped up right now in my nose. Okay, let's do this. Now, Yacht. And voila! Yacht installed. Now, we need to go to port. Voila! This is only using 1% CPU usage, and this is a full-on Docker container running on Yacht. So yeah, that's how you install Yacht, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Bye.